Hello viewers, welcome to Investor. Today, the USS Carl Vinson is the topic of discussion. Let's explore the USS Carl Vinson. The USS Carl Vinson is a Nimitz-class nuclear-powered aircraft carrier of the United States Navy and one of the most formidable warships in the world. Named after the Congressman Carl Vinson, a key figure in naval legislation, the ship represents the technological and military might of the USA. It was commissioned on March 13, 1982, and it is the third carrier of Nimitz class, following the USS Nimitz and the USS Dwight D. Eisenhower. The Carl Vinson has a displacement of over 100,000 tons, a length of 1,092 feet or 333 meters, and can carry a crew of more than 6,000 personnel, including ship crew and air wing members. The ship is powered by two nuclear reactors, which allow it to operate for more than 20 years without refueling, giving it virtually unlimited range and endurance. Its top speed exceeds 30 knots or about 56 km per hour. The carrier's primary strength lies in its air wing, capable of deploying over 60 aircraft, including FA-18 Super Hornet, EA-18G Growlers, E-2D Hawkeyes, and MH-60 Seahawk helicopters. These aircraft enable the Carl Vinson to perform a wide range of missions from air superiority and ground attack to reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and anti-submarine operations. The USS Carl Vinson has played a significant role in numerous military operations. It was a key asset during Operation Desert Strike, Operation Southern Watch, Operation Enduring Freedom in Afghanistan, and Operation Iraqi Freedom. One of its most well-known deployments was in 2011, when it was the ship that received and buried Osama bin Laden's body at sea after his death during a US Navy SEAL operation. The ship is equipped with advanced defensive systems, including the Phalanx CIWCS ruling airframe missiles and electronic countermeasures, making it well defended against aerial and missile threats. Its communications and radar systems are also highly advanced, ensuring real-time coordination with the naval and air assets. The Carl Vinson is typically part of a carrier strike group, which includes guided missile cruisers, destroyers, and supply ships. This formation allows it to project power, ensure sea control, and provide humanitarian assistance worldwide. Over 4 decades after its commissioning, the USS Carl Vinson continues to serve as a symbol of American naval power and global presence. With periodic overhauls and upgrades, it remains capable of meeting modern warfare demands, supporting both peacetime and combat missions across the globe. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel and share with your friends.